So this is it. We've come to the big award of the night. We've seen 6 fine examples of the best of Irish filmmaking. Here's a quick reminder.
Frank. Glassland. I used to live here. Noble. Patrick's Day. Song of the Sea.
Congratulations to all of you. Stunning, stunning work this year. And the IFTA goes to... They are tricky to open. Song of the Sea.
Unfortunately, this seems so unlikely. None of us, I think, have thought of anything to say, so thank you so much. It's massive. I mean, for us, animation isn't a genre, it's a medium, and to be included amongst all these other amazing films this year is really, really special and really important for animators in Ireland to be recognised in that way as filmmakers. So thank you so, so much to IFTA, Irish Film Board, all our supporters in the BAI and the broadcasters and our co-producers. So thanks so much, and obviously to my wife Lisa and my son Ben, who inspired the main character. I'd just like to let Paul say a few words as well. Thanks.
Thank you very much. I'll just thank our wonderful crew down in Kilkenny, and my fiancée Yvonne, and my little girl will watch this probably next week. She's only 2.5, but this is a really big deal, Robin, when you grow up. You know, this is actually really cool. And my parents in Roscommon, and I know Roscommon isn't a very popular... Hello, my parents. It's not just on behalf of people of Roscommon, I'm really, really sorry. And it's a great place to have a wedding, so please, the gay and lesbian community, please have weddings and stags there. It's a lovely county. It really is a beautiful county. Come have weddings. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Will, delighted.
I just want to quickly thank my wonderful wife Karen and my little son Luke. Thank you very much.